Hello friends, have you seen the notification from Staff Selection Commission? The Staff Selection Commission have notified for more than 6,500 vacancies through the combined graduate level exam, and the last date of filing the online application is 31st January 2021. Please hurry up. The applications are invited for the post of combined graduate level exam. You can apply for this position through online on or before 31st January 2021 through www.ssc.nic.in. Details about the Staff Selection Commission combined graduate level exam are: total vacancies 6,506. Application has to be submitted through online. Application fee for general and OBC category, it is ₹100, and there is no fee for SC, ST and PWD candidates. And the application start date is 29th December 2020, and the end date, as I told you, it is 31st January 2021. And the minimum age required is 18 years and the maximum age is 27 years. The qualification required is the candidates must have passed any degree, CA or CMA or equivalent from a recognized board or university. And the salary spans with 25,500 to 1,51,100 rupees. And the mode of selection is through 3-tier exam, and the tier 1 is computer based exam, and the tier 2 is descriptive exam, and the tier 3 is skill test as well as the typing test. This selection is for 6,506 vacancies, as I have told you, and it is splitted into 21 posts. The details of the posts are auditor, assistant audit officer, assistant accounts officer, assistant section officer, assistant superintendent, inspector central excise, inspector preventive officer, inspector examiner, inspector of income tax, enforcement officer, junior statistical officer, accountant or junior accountant, upper division clerk, and senior secretariat assistant, tax assistant, divisional accountant, inspector posts, inspector, sub-inspector, and the accountant. So the Staff Selection Commission is conducting exam for the recruitment of these variety of 21 posts, and the total vacancy is 6,500 plus. So my dear friends, it's a mass recruitment. So I would request you everyone to apply for this, prepare for this, and crack it. Hope this video is going to be useful for you. If you have not applied for this post so far, please make it. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Please leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching.